Okay, we're just going to draw a matching eye. Start with the top. Got this section here, this bit here, this bit here. I break the top line into 3 parts. I bring this down here, and then come up this bad boy, curve it a little bit, and a swoop. We got 11. We have 11. Okay. Then I'm going to add that circle in. I'm envisioning a whole circle, but I'm not drawing this top bit here. Leaving a little bit of white space on either side, of course, and just a smidgen under the iris. Okay. This lid here will sort of mirror the shape of that top line. Sort of soften that out here. Again, doing a mirrored line on the bottom. A little squiddly dude. I don't know what this is. By the tear duct. What do you call this bit? Something like that. I don't usually connect that. But anyway, what are you gonna do? Alright, then you sort of break this into little bits, kind of curving it out around the edges. Okay. And then just adding more lashes. Kind of tufting them together. Trying to sort of match the look of the other eye. Yeah, something like that. All right.